Do you know how much Amazon charges to have Premium A Plus content for brands like Apple, Samsung, etc.? Premium A Plus content can cost anywhere between $250K to $500K. It doesn't seem to be accessible to everyone, but now, for the first time ever, sellers who have registered as a brand owner with Amazon Brand Registry are eligible to have Premium A Plus content at no cost for an extendable promotional period. This means that you can now get your brand in front of millions of potential consumers and increase your visibility and sales by 20 to 30% without any cost. Hello, this is Adnin from Ecomclips. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can get Premium A Plus content for free. So first of all, what is Premium A Plus content? To answer this, let's check this Samsung product listing on Amazon. Scroll down and see this A Plus content. This is not a normal A Plus content that you usually see on Amazon listings, right? Amazon Premium A Plus content is an exclusive tool that goes level beyond basic A Plus content, giving brands like ability to showcase their products, most important features and benefit with modern and visually appealing structure. Amazon used to charge big brands $250,000 to publish this, and now you can have it free. Isn't that amazing? I list out some important features to differentiate the basic A Plus content and Premium A Plus content. Amazon offers 17 standard modules in basic A Plus content, and in Premium A Plus content, they offer 17 interactive modules along with 12 standard modules. The content width is 1464 pixels in Premium A Plus content and 970 pixels in the basic one. We can add HD videos and images to the Premium A Plus content, which you cannot do in the basic one. We can add clickable Q&A, interactive comparison charts, testimonials to the Premium A Plus content, which are not available for the basic A Plus content. So now comes the main question: how can you have it? What are the requirements? During the promotional period, you will be able to publish Premium A Plus content for all your registered ASIN using A Plus Content Manager. But you have to maintain two small and easy requirements. Here are they. Number one is all the ASIN in your catalog must contain publish A Plus brand story. Second one is you must have at least 15 A Plus content submission in approved status within the past 12 months. That's it. Meet this criteria, and for each Amazon storefront, you will be eligible to have Premium A Plus content. Go to your A Plus Content Manager from your seller account and you will see this notification about this. In case you don't know about the brand story, it is an addition to A Plus content available in the A Plus Content Manager on Vendor and Seller Central. It allows brands to showcase who their brand is, what they stand for, what they want to shoppers to know, and what they are offering. Here's one example. So that's it. If you are an Amazon seller looking for a way to increase your product sales, look no further than the new A Plus content promotion. There is no end date for the promotion, and Amazon has indicated it will be ongoing. They have also said that they will notify customers if there is a fee associated with Premium A Plus content. Our creative and digital marketing experts at Ecomclips can help brands to use A Plus content and Premium A Plus content to increase conversion and give buyers an amazing experience. To have one for your brand, you can contact us via our website www.ecomclips.com. The link will be added in the description. Lastly, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. For regular video like this, please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get notification for our next videos. Thank you.